Hi and welcome to Chef's Review. Let me show you a blender from Royal Catering. Well, first of all, it comes in this really nice cardboard box, obviously with instruction manual inside. Please have a read. There's also additional cardboard for really snug fit and extra safety, so nothing will move around during transport, so nothing will happen to it on its way to your place. Let me take it out and show you what it does and what it has. That's the heart of the machine. That's where the mechanism stays. It works with 230 volts, so you plug it in and you're ready to go. And it's quite powerful because it has 220 watts. So it's not your normal homeware hand mixer. It's quite powerful. I reckon it's one of the most versatile equipment in the kitchen. Any kitchen in the world should have one of these. You can use it for so many things, blending, crushing, making purees, soups and creams. Obviously you have the bigger machines, bigger stick blenders, but for anything like coming in a small pot for a few portions, you never bring out the big guns, right? That's the perfect size for small stuff. Operating the machine is very easy. There's one on and off button, so you press it and it goes straight away, and it rotates with the speed of 20,000 rotations per minute, so really fast. To see it in action, I already prepared my base for a pumpkin puree, so let's just add some butter in it. Cold butter helps emulsifying the puree, some cream just for flavor, and as you can see, there's a marking on the attachment on how deep and you can immerse it. Just remember, it's electrical device, so you shouldn't immerse it deeper than the mark shown right here, because you may damage it. So just pop it in, press the button, all right, that's pretty efficient. With 20,000 RPMs, this little blender gets the job done really quickly. All right, so let's quickly summarize. It fits nicely in your hand. It's very versatile, very useful, quite powerful, really fast. The grip fits nicely in your hand, whether you have a small or large hand. The finger is right in the right place, is just right there where you need it. After service, it's time to clean it. And in order to clean it, all you have to do is just unscrew this one. This should be clean anyway. If it's not, if there's a splatter on it or something, just wipe it down with a damp piece of cloth. Do not immerse that in water. This bit, however, is dishwasher safe, so all you have to do is just pop it in the dishwasher, give it a run or two, and it will be safe to use the next time. All right, with this device you get a 3-year warranty and a 100-day return service, so you shouldn't be worried. Should anything happen, just send it back, they'll fix it for you. But if you're looking for a blender, just make sure you have a look at the website. There's a variety of them. So there's bigger ones with different powers, different attachments, different sets. You'll definitely find one that will suit your needs best. Okay, so if you're equipping your kitchen, just make sure you leave me a comment in the comment section what other equipment you want me to test, and if you have any questions, just drop it right there. I thank you guys very much for watching, and I see you next time.